Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during intense raining, flooding in basement is a very common situation here in Canada. So I'm going to show you some ways that you can avoid. First of all, if you have a windows egress window and a windows well, and you have a like a egress drain line, make sure it's clear, make sure it's working, and this well, it has to be clean, because see, you see this well, if it is not clear and if it is full of debris, leaves, what's going to happen, the normal passage of water is going to get interrupted and water will try to seep inside the window, and then it will go into your basement. This is number one cause. Okay, this you need to avoid. So keeping it clean is good. I have already purchased, but it's yet to arrive, that is window well cover. So you can buy this, there are some ready-mades too, and you can also get custom, but if you are going to get those, make sure it matches with the fire safety code, because this is the exit route for those who live down there. So in case of any emergency, if they have to exit, they should be able to open it without any tool and run away right away. Okay, because in emergency you don't get much time. Okay, that's really very important. So I have ordered, I don't know when it's gonna come, maybe this week. I'm gonna follow up tomorrow with the vendor who had done it. Now these crack seals, make sure they are properly sealed so the water does not seep. Okay, next is the downspout. It should come and go away from the basement. You see, and how important it is. You see the amount of water that is flowing. Imagine if something backflows inside, that's catastrophic. That's going to be catastrophic. Okay, now some protection you do get from roof, but it's not much. Depending upon the amount of rain, it could be huge. Now here at some places there were big holes because of the concrete cut, so I have put this filler over there so that at least water does not even seep from here, to provide additional safety. These areas also I have sealed so that no water seeps in over there. But this well is very important, number one cause. Okay, today it's not too much of raining and it's gonna stop soon, but next 2 days are gonna rain, and we have to do everything we can to avoid. You see this water that's accumulating here, it's slow, sooner or later it's gonna go down, but yes, still it's like 3 4 5 feet away from the basement. I'm planning to buy even a long downspout, and I'll move it to this side so that water goes even further. This you should definitely do such things, guys. If you do this, it's gonna be better. And again, having a sump pump in your basement is always really very good. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.